friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing a very exciting video here on my channel. It is, as always, one of my favorite videos to film for my channel, and that is my monthly Stitch Fix unboxing. So this one is a little bit late going up. This is my box for the month of May, and I think just with COVID and everything else going on in the world, I'm a little delayed in getting this up for you guys, so I apologize for that, but regardless, I hope you enjoy. So without further ado, I've already unwrapped everything. We're gonna go ahead and dive right into what I got. So for those of you guys that don't know, Stitch Fix is a monthly, quarterly, or 2 to 3 week subscription service box where you get things sent to you by a personalized stylist. I will leave, as always, my link down below if you guys want to check out the box. I highly recommend it. It is a great service and I've gotten a lot of really cute stuff from there. Alright, so diving into the items that I got in this month's box, let's start out with the always most exciting thing, which is shoes. So I have these really cute suede gray flats from the Lucky brand. These are in size 7, and these are just really simple, very classic flats. They look like they have a pretty decent amount of padding inside them. They're pretty squishy on the inside, which is good, meaning they'll probably be comfortable to wear over long periods of time. I enjoy wearing flats, especially in a work environment. Obviously with COVID, that's a little different right now, but I still think they're really cute. And obviously, as always, at the end of this portion of the video, I will do a try on so you guys can see everything on my body. But real quick, these are the Lucky brand Arch Suede Flats in gray size 7. Next, we got, ooh, cute. So they have been sending me a lot of more business attire items, which normally I would really appreciate, but lately, especially with COVID, I'm not wearing, guys, I'm in sweatpants like 90% of the time, so I'm not wearing business casual attire. So for stuff like this, which is actually really cute, I'm probably not as inclined to keep it as I normally would be. This is just a gray and black and really cute inside flower design blazer. This is by the brand Skies Are Blue in size small. This is the Alana textured knit blazer in gray size small. So yeah, like I said, this is really cute. I'm normally not a textured blazer kind of a gal. I typically like very solid colors, but as always, we'll try it on, see what we think. Next, this is, oh, something different. What are you? Okay. This is a, oh, okay. So this looks like a jumpsuit, like a plain black jersey material. It's very, very stretchy and has, I don't know if you guys can tell, like a tie bit right here around the waist. This is why we try things on, because holding it up like this, you can't tell what this looks like. It's a V-neck here in the front, and this is the Lemon Tart Spirit Knit jumpsuit in black, size small. So this looks really comfy, very stretchy, like I said, and we'll have to just try it on, see what it looks like, because it's really hard to hold up and frame. Alright, next we got, oh, this is cute, like a checkered shirt. Very sheer, very like linen-y material feeling, and this is the Fortune and Ivy Christelle button-down blouse in white size small. We've discussed here on my channel, I don't really ever wear a lot of white because I can never keep things white and clean, so this will be interesting. Plus you always have to wear something nude underneath it, which is kind of a hassle, but this is really, really cute, and I like that it's got the rolled sleeves on the end, so we'll see what it looks like on my body. But overall, I think this is actually really, really cute, and I'm excited to try it on. Alright, and last but not least, you guys, we have some jeans, which is a typical thing included in the boxes, and these are really cute, like stretchy, plain black denim jeans. They're pretty snug looking, pretty tight. Spoiler alert, I have gained weight since quarantine started because your girl's not working out, so we're just gonna have to try these on and see how they fit. But these are the cut from the cloth Bodie skinny high-rise jean in black size 0. I like that they're high-rise. I'm always a big fan of high-rise jeans, and their denim is a little bit hit or miss for me, so we're just gonna have to try this on. But it does look pretty high-waisted, so I'm excited to see how these fit. But there you go. Alright you guys, that is everything that I got in this month's box for my Stitch Fix unboxing. Now let's go ahead and see what everything looks like on my body. Alright friends, it's our favorite time of the video where we try on the outfits. So this is that jumpsuit that I was showing you guys that was kind of hard to tell in the clip, and I actually really like this. It's a little more conservative, but I think for work, once you know, things get back to normal, it's really, really comfortable. I feel like flatters me in all the right places. It's got this tie detail up here in the front that kind of cinches things in a little bit more and kind of gives it more of a defining like shape to it. The length on it is actually really great as well. Apologies for my messy room. The length, like I said, is actually really great on this. It hits me just above the ankle, if you guys can see that there. There's pockets. I mean, I'm really a big fan of this. I think I'm probably going to end up keeping this. The only thing is the tie, when you tie it a certain way, it kind of pulls the V towards the tie bit, so it's not quite so centered. But other than that, I mean, it's super comfy and I'm kind of obsessed. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Alright friends, next 2 items in the box. This was the checkered shirt that was included in the box. I'm not as big of a fan of this as I originally thought I would be. The fit of it is just not working for me. I think it's just too, I don't know, it's snug in the chest, it's snug in the arms. It goes out in a way on the bottom that I just don't think does me any favors, and it is just so sheer that I'm just, I don't know, you can see the sports bra I've got going on underneath it, which I wanted to show you guys so you could see how sheer it is. But yeah, I'm not a super huge fan of them. The jeans, however, I'm actually really into. They're very stretchy, but not in a bad way. And they're, let me be honest, they're tight because of quarantine, but they're not so snug that I feel like too uncomfortable in them. And they come up so high-waisted. I don't have any jeans right now that come up this high, especially in black, so I'm really into that concept because then I can wear a little bit more of like high-waisted shirts and just feel a little bit more comfortable. The length on them as well is pretty good. It hits, again, right about the ankle. They're tight down all the way to the bottom, which is what I love in pants. And yeah, overall, I really enjoy these. I think I'll probably end up keeping these as well and sending the shirt back. But as always, with every item, let me know what you guys think. Alright friends, and just so we have it all together, this is the blazer that came with it. I do really like the blazer. It does kind of give me like a schoolgirl kind of vibe in a way, which is cute. It's not my favorite, like I mentioned, style of blazer, and I have so many blazers right now that I just prefer over something like this that I probably will end up sending this back. But it is cute, it's comfortable, it's nothing too crazy, but again, not just something that I really need in my wardrobe right now. The shoes, I'll show you guys. The flats are actually really cute and comfortable. They're a little noisy, if you guys can hear that, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I don't know if that's just them being a little stiff and new. But these are also really comfortable as well. They don't pinch, they don't feel too like they're rubbing any certain kind of way, which I really enjoy. Look, there's my foot. So yeah, I think I'll probably end up keeping the shoes as well, but as always, you guys let me know what you think of the items, how they look on me, how they seem to come across to you guys. But I think it's pretty obvious that there are things that I do like in this box and things that I'm just not a fan of and will probably send back. So I look forward to hearing your guys' comments down below. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed me trying on all of the items that I got in this month's Stitch Fix. Please let me know down below, as always, what your favorite items were and how you're holding up in quarantine. Are you guys doing okay? It's a bit of a crazy year. I hope you're all doing well, staying safe, staying healthy. Please let me know how you're doing. I would love to know. And as always, please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!